Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be installing this ESR tempered glass screen protector onto my Galaxy S25 Ultra here. I just picked one of these up. I actually bought both of these. They didn't send them out for a review or anything, but I think ESR might be sending us some goodies to check out here in the near future. I put one of these on my iPad. I was really happy with it. I just put one on my iPhone because I once again somehow cracked the screen protector on my iPhone. So I bought this exact same one for my iPhone, and I put that one on earlier. So now I'm going to do this video installing it on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. I'm also recording in my new, but at my new recording desk here. And I might actually switch something up. I might actually put my computer setup over here and then put the recording setup at the other desk, but I'm not too sure yet. We'll have to see how I like it. We'll have to play around with some things. But here we are, Galaxy S25 Ultra. I already have a screen protector on there. I have the, which one did I put on? Whatever I put on in the last video, it is still on there. I haven't broken this one or anything. But these were like, I don't know, 16, 17, 18. They're under $20. That's what I'm getting at. But kind of similar to the last one I put on the phone, and exactly similar to the iPad. Really nice installation tray, like really good quality. That also houses all the other pieces here. This is a 3-pack, so you do get 3 of everything. One is pre-installed in the little installation tool here, but this is the tool. You can see it's, you know, kind of like cardboard on the bottom, but plastic on the sides. It's got anti-slip feet on it and everything. So when you're pushing this down and pulling the thing out, it's not going to be slip sliding everywhere on you. So these are the extra 2 screen protectors right here. You don't need these right now. It does give you a little squeegee so you can work out any air bubbles, anything like that you may need to after you do this, which I did have a couple on my iPhone. Nothing too significant or anything. They came right out. But we're going to go ahead and get our cleaning accessories out. See, they give you a little kind of like warranty information, easy replacement with no return needed. If something comes broken, missing pieces, you know, something goes wrong, something like that. I don't know if they'll replace it for installation errors, but if you have any issues, I'm pretty sure they're probably good about getting you taken care of. So we're going to need one of the dust removal stickers, one of the wet wipes, and it comes with a microfiber cloth as well. So we'll go ahead and get that opened up, put all the other stuff over to the side here. Everything else is just going to stay like this. That is all opened up and ready to go. I don't know if my iPhone one didn't have this on there or if it came out when I took the other ones out, but make sure you take that off there, the little protective thing that comes on these. I'm pretty sure you need to take that off first. I'm not too sure, but we'll see if it works or not, I guess. So we're going to take the existing screen protector off. There is still plastic on there. That was just like a little sleeve like you get on most of them. So we'll take that other screen protector off. I'm going to go ahead and move this up here for a second. And we'll go ahead and open our wet wipe. And it's actually a pretty large one, so we can go ahead and, I don't like to open them all the way so they're super thin, but make it so we're not here all day wiping it off. And this phone has never gone without a screen protector. I put a screen protector on this phone on day 1, but me being, you know, a reviewer and stuff like that, I do change them out quite frequently. So it has had a couple different screen protectors on there. So I always do the cloth, and then I dry it off. And then the very last step, I always take the dust removal sticker. Piece of dust right there. I always go over the entire screen, then I look for anything that I might have missed. Now this setup actually is supposed to help remove dust as you pull this out as well. So you don't do anything with this tab. This needs to stay on there just like so. Go ahead and put your phone in face down, just like this. Close it, and it says press here. So, I mean, it has the whole hand there. I don't know if they want you to press there or like this. I usually just do like this because it gives even pressure kind of all over the phone. Give it a nice kind of firm downward pressure and then pull the tab straight out. So as you can see, came right out. That was the plastic I was talking about that was on the screen protector. Protecting it after we removed the little white piece right here. And then we'll just give it a second, and then we'll go ahead and I usually kind of go from the bottom and then kind of grab the top because it does have this plastic on it from being attached in there. See, there you go. You can see we have a little bubble right there and a little bubble in the corner. Obviously that is normal. They did include a little squeegee to help you get rid of that. The iPhone one was actually a little bit different, but we're just going to push that across and get that right on out of there. I probably should have gone the other way because that was the closest, but we're just going to, there's no bubbles over here, but I'm just going to squeegee around the edges just to be sure I get all the adhesion possible. And then we'll get this corner one out. If you have bubbles that don't go away, like when you push on them, you may have a piece of dust under there. I would give it about 24 hours and see if it goes away. If it doesn't bother you, then you can leave it. If it does bother you, then like I said, this is a 3-pack, so you can make sure you get all that dust out, all that debris out, and you can try it again. But there's nothing I see here. Wipe it off, and there you go. And then one thing everybody always asks about with the Samsungs is the fingerprint sensor. So we'll go ahead and start the phone back up here, right here on camera. We'll do all this as one take so you guys can see that the fingerprint sensor does in fact work as intended and there are no issues. I'm not going to re-add my fingerprint or anything like that. I'm just going to go into the phone, lock it, and the phone's still booting up there. There we go. Unlock, other finger, unlock, no issues whatsoever. So that is the ESR, and this is the Armorite screen protector. This is their I think it's a better, kind of more protective, a little bit better. I think this is the Armorite. It was the Armorite for the iPhone, and I'm pretty sure I ordered the exact same for both. So if it's not, I'll have the link down in the description. You guys can pick one of these up. If you're interested, like I said, it's a 3-pack, comes with a little installation tray booklet kind of thing, which is very, very nice, makes it very quick and easy. And I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.